You ever get the feeling that you're not getting the whole picture? If you're on the verge of making a big decision about school, your career, your future, then I just want to make sure you have all the facts. The hub of activity you see here is a Mack Truck Service Center. They're all over the country, and I'm willing to bet there's one in or near your hometown. A lot of great careers are made here. Maybe you've only considered one path: go to college, get that degree, land a lucrative job with a lifetime of security. While a 4-year degree is the right path for some, it's not the only path. You gotta weigh the pros and cons and make an informed decision. For example, on average, graduates leave college with more than $30,000 in student loan debt. Sure, degrees are great, but they don't come with a guarantee of instant employment, great pay, or job security. Consider this. Over the next 6 years, 77,000 truck technicians and diesel engine specialists will be needed to keep pace with growth in this industry. Position yourself as part of a small pool of emerging talent, and you could be setting yourself up for a tremendous career opportunity. It's a great path to consider. And that's where your local Mack Trucks dealer may be able to help find a path that's a better fit for you. Maybe when you think of truck technicians, you conjure up images of all grease and wrenches. It's way more than that. Today's technicians are more high-tech than ever before, requiring a command of sophisticated electronic diagnostic procedures and advanced computerized systems. Now, when you become a pro in the heavy equipment repair industry, you'll be landing yourself on the edge of innovation, wielding the power of technology to crack codes, solve problems, and keep America running. Do you like the thought of immersing yourself in a challenging, tech-savvy profession? Do you want a career path that offers opportunity for real money, real advancement, and real security? If so, check out your nearest Mack Trucks dealer. Mack Trucks partners with dealers and schools all around the country. You'll get specialized hands-on training on modern equipment that will prepare you to hit the ground running. This program will open professional doors you didn't even know existed, be it at your local Mack Trucks dealer or at Mack Trucks dealers all over America. Every day, people in this place feel pride, passion, like they're part of a family. This can be yours too. That's the truth, and that's a real future.